Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Quantum Ideas. So today we will be discussing a single problem, and that is related to system of line and a parabola. And I've selected this question from a book because this question will help you to approach the SAT problems related to parabola mostly. Okay, and this is not the exam type question, but this question is very interesting, and it will help you to grow your knowledge or your understanding about the system of parabola and line. So let's get started and let's solve it, or let's approach it by taking a single step at a time and clear out doubts. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, first of all, let me read the question. The xy plane above shows two x-intercepts. Okay, you can see here one x-intercept of the parabola here, another x-intercept is here. Okay, a y-intercept, so basically y-intercept shown is this one. Okay, and vertex p of the parabola, so this is basically vertex of the parabola. If the line passes through the point 2 comma 0 and v, so there is a line that passes through the point 2 comma 0 and the vertex of the parabola. Which of the following must be the y-intercept of the line? So we have to find this y-intercept, means this point, right, where the line touches the y-axis. So we have to find the y-intercept of the line. So how we have to think is that, okay, since we have to find the y-intercept, we need to find the equation of a line. Okay, that line, and to find the equation of the line we need at least 2 points. One point is here and one point is here v, but we don't know the coordinates of v, so we have to find the vertex of parabola, right? Okay, because if we know the vertex of the parabola by using those 2 points on the line, we can find the equation of line, then we can find the y-intercept, right? Okay, so to find the vertex we can use the equation of parabola. So once you complete the equation of the parabola, then you can find the vertex, then you can find the equation of the line, then you can find the y-intercept. So let's solve it one by one, step by step. Okay, now see here, we have given two x-intercepts of the parabola, means that are two x values or two roots, right? So let's say this one as x1. Okay, x1 as 2 and this x2 as -4. So these are what? These are two x-intercepts. So we have their equation, okay, for the parabola, which is called factor form, right? That is y equals a x minus x1 x minus x2. Now let's plug x1 x2, which is given below from the graph. So that is a, okay, x plus 4, and okay, x1 is, okay, you can take any. Okay, so if you are confused, you can see that x2 is -4, x1 is 2. Okay, no problem. A, let me take x1 as 2, so x minus 2, x minus, here is -4, so minus will be +4. So this is our equation, but the parabola equation is still incomplete because there is unknown value of a. Since a is not determined yet, so a is called what? We call it vertical dilation factor. So we have to find the vertical dilation factor. So in order to find the vertical dilation factor, what we have to understand is that we have to set this x to 0 and we have to plug some value of y. So to do that, we have to check the graph here. This part is given, right? This is basically y-intercept of the parabola. This is given to find the vertical dilation factor. So plug the value of y here, that is 16/3 equals to a, what is a axis? 0, 0 minus 2, 0 plus 4. So this is 16/3 equals a, minus 2 minus 4 is -8. If you divide there, 8, 2. So this is a equals -2/3. Now our equation of parabola is complete, that is y is equals to a. What is our a? Okay, we have already determined the value of a is -2/3, and there is x minus 2, x plus 4. Okay, equation of parabola is here. Now we have to find the vertex. Okay, so how can we find the vertex is that, since we know that this is what the line of symmetry passes through the vertex, that means the coordinate, that is x coordinate of v, that is h, which let me say the vertex, let me denote the coordinate of vertex as h comma k. Okay, we know that from the axis this distance is equals to this distance, right? So we can find the value of h by simply taking the average of two x1 x2 values. Okay, x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So this will give the x coordinate of the vertex. So this is minus 4 plus 2 over 2, that is minus, okay, minus 2 by 2 is minus 1 is your h. So we have the v minus 1. So we have already known the x coordinate of the vertex. Now to find the y coordinate, you can use the equation of this parabola, right? So to find the k or that y coordinate, let me plug y equals to k equals to minus 2 over 3. What is our x? X is basically for the vertex, x is minus 1. So minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 4. So this is equals to minus 2 by 3 minus 3. This is 3, right? This count, so value of k is 2 3 is 6. So now we have the vertex of the parabola as h comma k, right? Vertex is h comma k, that is minus 1 comma 6. Since we have the 2 points on the line, right, we got v, this is v, that is minus 1 comma 6, and there is another point is 2 comma 0, right? So 2 comma 0. Now we can easily find the equation of the line. So we know that equation of the line, okay, let me consider this point as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. So the equation of line is y minus y1 equals slope of the line x minus x1, right? Okay, we can also write this as y equals, what is the slope formula? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and let me take this y1 that side, so plus y1. Now let's plug all the values. So what is our y2? y2 is 0, y2 is 0 minus 6 divided over, what is our x2 is 2, and our x1 is plus 1, and x minus plus, okay, x1 is negative 1, so minus will be plus. What is our y1? y1 is 6 plus 6, okay, is equals to minus 6 over 3, and we have what? X plus 1 plus 6, y equals minus 2, x plus 1 plus 6. Okay, let's open the bracket. So y equals to minus 2x minus 2 plus 6. So our y value is minus 2x plus 4. So this is the equation of the line. Now we have to find what? We have to find the y-intercept. So to find y-intercept, for y-intercept, okay, let me write here. Our equation of the line is minus 2x plus 4. So for y-intercept, to find the y-intercept of the line, we have to set what? X equals 0. So when you set x equals to 0, the value of y-intercept will be what? 4. So 4 is our answer. Okay, so let us check the option. So C is a correct answer. So in this way, you can solve the problem like this with the proper approach and thinking step by step. So first of all, you have to just create the path or the network or something like that, and you have to solve it step by step. Once you have the habit of solving this kind of problem, you can solve it further. Okay, so this much for today. So thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe and comment. Okay, bye bye.